So first tell me the answer. So what will be the output?
First one is uh, false. Second one is also false.
Why?
Because first one is a boolean expression and x is a boolean expression, y is a string, and z is a integer.
Hmm.
So we can compare this to x into y. X is the boolean and zero, and that's y is a string. That's not a true. And also next to x and z is also the boolean expression and the integer. That's also false.
Okay, you can run the code.
හයි ෆෝක්ස් කොහොමද ඉතින් ඔත් මේ දවස්වල ඉන්ටර්විව් එකක් එනකම් බලන් ඉන්න කෙනෙක් වෙන්න පුළුවන් ෆ්‍රෙෂ් ග්‍රැජුවේට් කෙනෙක් වෙන්න පුළුවන් එහෙම නැත්නම් එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් තියෙන ඩෙවලොපර් කෙනෙක් වෙන්න පුළුවන් ඉතින් ඔයගොල්ලෝ හැමෝටම ගොඩක් ලොකු ඇඩ්වාන්ටේජ් එකක් වෙයි කියලා හිතනවා මේ වීඩියෝ සීරීස් එක මීට අමතරව ඉන්ටර්විව්ස් වලදී අහන මේන් කන්සෙප්ට්ස් එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරලා මම සිංහලෙන් වෙනම වීඩියෝ සීරීස් එකක් කරගෙන යනවා ඉතින් ඒකත් බලන්න ඒ වගේම මොක් ඉන්ටර්විව් එකකට පාර්ටිසිපේට් කරන්න ඕන නම් පල්ලෙහින් කමෙන්ට් එකක් දාන්න channel එක subscribe කරලා දිගටම සෙට්ලා ඉන්න
You can click on the console tab below. Right bottom, you can see the console tab. You can just click on the console tab. Go down. So it's the middle, like bottom middle. You can see the console tab. Bottom. Yeah, just you can scroll down to the bottom. Yeah. So what happened there?
It's true.
Yeah. So, like, I asked a question about the double equal and triple equal in JavaScript. So, can you think why this happens now?
Yeah, in W equal values is are equal, so
Yeah, in JavaScript, so double equals compares only the value. So, the false is 0 in JavaScript. So, it converts to 0. So, now everything is 0, like the value is 0, right? So, that's why it gives 0. Okay. I'll send you another question. You can copy paste this code. So what will be the output? So we have two console logs. So what it will print first and what next.
First print it console log 2 and after that console log 1.
Why? Okay, you can run the code. So the answer is correct. So you need to explain why it happens. So have you heard about event loop in JavaScript? So this happens because of the event loop. Like that's the main mechanism. JavaScript handles these executions at the runtime. So uh, you can learn more about that. So you will get to know why this is happens because in the main thread the set times and all set timeout and all they are going to the from the event loop to the micro web APIs. So that's why they have to wait until the main thread completes. So that's why it goes after the two, even though it has zero mentioned in the timeout time. So that's what. Okay, I'll you. Oh, I put the answers also. Okay, not this one. I'll put you another question. So you can take the last four lines and paste in the case field. Yeah. So what will be the output?
First one, A equal B is true because those two values are 3. The second one it's also true.
Why?
It's also the integer.
See, you can run it. Can you tell me why now it's false?
It's including the chat.
Yeah, with the new keyword, we are returning an object. So two data types, number and object. So that's why it's giving false. You can. I have pasted another code. You can copy it. What will be the output?
This console log x output is 10, and this console log x output is.
I mean, you can write your answer as comments below, so then we can check.
First one is 10, and second one is 4.
Okay. Why?
Because it's using in include this bracket one. So let us using this console log, and this is out of that row.
Yeah, true. Correct. So the let it has a block scope. So for each block, it takes that value within that block. So out of the block, it takes from the global scope. So the answers are correct. So I have sent you another question. You can paste it.
The age. So output is 21.
Okay. So why?
Here the function is called, then the function is include the age 21. The console log age is it's give the value of this one.
Okay. So now you can do some change. Like you can call the getEdge function before the declaration. Can you move the line number 5 to line number 1? Now what happens?
Can be run.
So you are saying it's an error. You can run it till 21. Can you explain why it happens?
First is go to the set each functions. After that, it came to this one.
You're calling the function in line number 1, but you have declared the function after that. So why this is not an error in JavaScript? Have you heard about hoisting? This happens because of the hoisting. So you can learn more about that later. So I have pasted another question.
It's sorting to come to 8 and 31st. 31.
You can write your answer. You can run it. Can you explain what happens here?
It's do a one time.
No, that's not correct. So you are saying it happens only one time.
Yeah.
So you can put 1 after 8 and then you can run it. Actually, it compares as a string, so the sort functionality is for string. So one, two, three. Likewise, it goes on. So 8 is bigger than 3 when it compares 31 and 8. So that's why it goes back. Like if you have 45 or something, it will come between 31 and 8 because it has 4. That's what happens here. Okay, so I think we are done with the output based round. So I'll give some small coding question now. Like, uh, can you write your name as a string? The JavaScript. So the first part should be capital, and the next part can be simple. So without space, you can write. You can get that to a variable. The first part you can write it in capital letters. Like the menu should be in capital letters. You can write it here. So I need that as input. Okay, without space. The second part you can run. You can write it in the same string in simple letters inside the string. No, 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 no. Just the second part of your name. Now you can write within the same string. So
Include this.
yeah, yeah. The Vijayarag, that part should be no, the second part. Okay, so now I need to get the total number of S in your name. Like how many S in your name? So in JavaScript, we use let or var. Like maybe you are confused with Java or something else. Like int I, it should be let I or y. All right, Manish, I think the time is up. So you can write later. And I think I'm done with the interview. So